What is up, guys? Welcome back to Kawaii Banana. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a paper squishy. So you will need some paper, some tape, scissors, like plastic for the packaging, and markers, that's optional, and also a plastic bag. It can be any color because I know there's some that are clear. This one is like a brownish color, but it doesn't matter. So then it's not going to be one used by phone like this. I just want to show you guys because I've got a mistake from a YouTube video that I've watched, and I was like, wait, that's not real squishy. So here's one I already made with packaging. It's like a little pear. So first we're gonna need this piece of paper. We're gonna fold it in half. That's gonna be pretty small. But tell me guys in the comments if you made one really big or if you made one small like me. So then you want to cut out your shape. You can use a marker if you were afraid that you're going to mess up your shape, and then you can cut it out. So then you should have this like piece of paper like this that's folded. So then you can draw your face on it. So I'm going to use this pink marker. Messed up on the face, but it's okay. So I did this face. So then you're gonna need your tape, and you're gonna leave a little. So you're gonna close off the edges except for one side, so you can fit what you need to get in there, which is the plastic bag, in there. So I'm gonna close everything off. You want to get all the corners. Make sure you leave a big enough hole, and if you didn't, you can always just cut that piece open and then you can tape it back later. So then you should have something like this. So it should be like a little pocket. So then you're gonna need your bag. You're gonna like put it like this. And you're gonna cut little pieces off it. Because if you put it like, I recommend actually just so you're like folding it, because it's kind of hard to cut with your scissors like that. So then you're just gonna cut off like a nice little like sliver of it. So since mine is small, I'm going to cut a smaller piece. And also you can just rip it if you want to, but my scissors aren't very strong. So you're gonna crumble it up into a ball. That'll probably really small. But you're gonna really pack everything in there. So I like using the handles because they're pretty easy to cut. Gonna keep cutting. So here it goes. So then you're gonna crumble that into a ball, keep putting it in there until it's full. And don't do this, okay? So like you think it's like full to top where you're like this, but when you push it down, look how much extra space you have. So then just look how much extra space you have. So that's why I just was telling you guys that, because then it won't be very squishy. I have another piece, so you're gonna put it in here, and I think mine is pretty good because you want to leave a little bit extra space at the rim, so you can close it up. That's done, and then we can move it to the packaging. So here we go. So you guys should be done with the squishy, and it should look like this. You guys can color if you want to. I just decided to color. So then you use your piece of plastic. If it's like this, like I accidentally did, you can wait since it's really but like you see. So then you'll have to do this the like longer way, I guess. So then you'll have to close up both like the sides and leave one side open. I'm about to finish the second side. Okay, so here you go. So then, see, I have this one opening right here. So I'm gonna slide my squishy in. It's a little bit tight for mine, but it's totally fine. So then you're gonna put it in. Be careful so you don't rip open the package, because that happened to me before. my squishies in the package. So then the side that I recommend not putting it over its face so you can see it and it won't get undone. So then you want to I'm gonna actually put it over the face actually. So then you get your piece and you get some tape. And so this will allow you to open and close it because it's just one piece of tape and you can always take off tape. So and you wanna put it all ready to go, and then you wanna tape there, and then you wanna close it off. So here is your final result. And again, you can always actually put foam inside of it if you want something moisturizing, but it won't be exact, like this squishy or like a real squishy from the store. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and share this video if you enjoyed this video. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye!